A Maryland bouncy castle was lifted by severe winds, killing a 5-year-old kid and wounding another. The inflatable collapsed inside the Regency Furniture Stadium in Waldorf on Friday during a baseball game. The kids played outside. According to Charles County, Maryland officials, numerous kids collapsed before the moon bounce. Weather predictions for Friday afternoon and evening projected strong to severe storms. Storms would bring strong gusts, lightning, and rain, according to CBS News. Authorities received a report of the event at 21:21 local time on Friday, 01:21 GMT Saturday. According to Charles County, Maryland, emergency and volunteer first responders treated patients within minutes of the incident. The Southern Maryland Blue Crabs postponed their Saturday game to pray for the affected families and community.